What's up with it, YouTube? It's your boy Boo. Right now, headed on my way to go do a starter on this car. It's a 2000 Oldsmobile 3.8 engine. Yeah, they telling me they had issues starting the car. So yesterday, go over there, put the key in, it doesn't engage when I try to start it. So tap on the starter a couple times with like a little mallet. Tapped on it, started the car right up. So that made me believe like, okay, the starter's bad. So I'm headed over there right now. So yeah, when I get over there, part two. With this guy here, look at the car. Got it jacked up already. First thing you're gonna want to do is disconnect this battery. You do not disconnect the negative cable. Do not want this thing to spark when you're taking off that starter. So unhook this battery. First thing first. Once I get under here, I'll have another video. 3.8 engine. Start. 3.8 engine again. I'll start with that one. It's a 15 millimeter. And then you got another one right up there, another 15 millimeter. So we're gonna start by taking them two bolts out to release the starter. I'm gonna take them out. It's a little dirty under here. And I'll be right back. Once we have this thing all out. There's two bolts to hold it in though. That's it. Starter in. So now we gotta take off the positive and the negative wire. Take those off and the starter's dropping. Same way you take it out, same way you put it back in. Got it out. This is Rob J over here. Yep, bad starter. I'm gonna go get a new one and throw it in there.
Good ass engine, I know that.
New one. Got back from the auto parts store. Brand new starter. Now we about to get up in there, connect the negative and connect the positive. Put it in. We about to start this bad boy up. So quick little overview. I wasn't able to get the footage of the car starting once I put the new starter in, but put the new starter in and it did start right up. That's what the problem was, the starter. But yeah, that's about it. But if you feel like this video helped you in any kind of way, you already know what to do. Hit that like and subscribe button, turn them bells on. I'm gonna have way more videos, way more content coming real soon. So if it's anything that, you know, on a car that you want to know how to fix or whatever, just put it in the comments, you know, let me know and we'll figure it out. Boo, signing off. Holla.